Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling mouse keys and accessibility so your numeric pad moves the pointer. This is faster than installing tools. Once you enable it, make sure numlock state matches your system's expectation because the keypad will behave differently otherwise. You'll immediately test basic movement. 8 moves up, 2 down, 4 left, 6 right, and 5 performs a primary click. This step gets keyboard control live and proves the feature works before we tune speed and clicks. Once mouse keys is active, go deeper and tune speed and acceleration so small corrections are predictable. High acceleration makes long moves fast but hurts accuracy. Configure key repeat delay and rate to control how responsive taps feel, and test each setting while moving to corners of the screen. For dragging, press 0 to hold the mouse button, move with 8/2/4/6, then press. To release, use Shift or Control as you would with a real mouse to modify clicks. To finish, create a quick toggle or shortcut so you can enable mouse keys instantly when needed. This prevents accidental cursor jumps. Practice typical workflows, selecting text, dragging windows, and double-clicking icons so your fingers learn the new rhythm. If things go wrong, first confirm numlock state, then ensure accessibility or input permissions are granted to the feature or app, and reboot if necessary. If pointer jitter persists, reduce acceleration and increase delay until movements feel stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.